Anyway, to anyone who's watching this, like and subscribe. Shush.
If you want a cookie.
Cookie. Are you checking in? Oh, Ellie's checking in. Yes, room 1, room 2, whatever room you're on. Okie dokie. Okay, I'm going there. Whatever happened to the last people they hired? I do not know. Anyway, just the results and details, yeah. I don't know why I'm trying to speed run. I'm trying to speed run for some reason, but there's no reason to speed run. Okay, I'll just check it then. Oh, that's the last one. What? Do you not like it? It's the same bed.
What?
It's the same bed, Mom. Lidl bread. I dropped. That's the last patient of today.
That person doesn't know what they're doing.
Doctor's coming. Yeah. If you don't feel so good, come and check yourselves in. Please sit down. Hi, girls.
What's the topic?
No, she does not. If things get very quicker, the fifth of the churches, I'm sure kids to tell me so. Nothing then. How much money did we win? 63 bucks. Woohoo! How are you? Oh, anomaly. No, I closed the shirt. I closed the shutter. I closed the shutter, bro. Leave! I'm not the one. Let me check this com. Oh no, it's not. I thought they were because of their black eyes. When I looked from far away, it was like they. Yes. We do not know. I don't know.
Room 2. Okay, you can get that up, bro.
Right? You can only collect three things. You need the nurse to carry nothing. But you see what needs that stuff, bro. Look, that one. Oh, he does need a med kit and bandages. I think there is.
There's another patient. What room are you going to? Room 5, I think. Then keep walking straight.
Damn it,
Oh, no, right.
see. Let's do this quickly. Are you closing the door? We need to get out anyway.
What does he need?
Yes. What do they need? We don't know the gender. Oh. No, how do you know the stuff?
Now I just need to. It has to.
Room 5 again.
That other picture was room 3.
Oh yeah. I don't know yet, mate. Let's see. Stop closing the door with me. IV drops? You have IV drops.
Yes, but I don't want the other one.
Don't worry. Is it antibiotics or medicine?
Let me check.
Wait, there's no antibiotics here, so
It's
it's medicine.
medicine.
I know that. I literally just got it. Oh, doctor, we're unlocking the shop today. Okay, at least our teammate has not left us.
For you.
At least our teammate didn't leave. The last time our teammate left us, they left us when one person died. I'm at the shop. What the fuck with? How much money? $153.
For what? How much is the chocolate? What do you have? 40? I have 153 of 5.
Is it combined? Okay, how much do you have?
I have 23.
F 58. Yeah, it's not combined. Okay. Oh, jeez! Another! I'll just check security cameras. Anomaly! It's a medic! Take the pistol! Who has the taser? Where did the taser go? I checked. Oh, let me taste this. It's a small ball. Just fine. Also, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, he looks normal.
Can I have it? Let me check the camera first. I mean, the gun costs Robux.
Yeah.
Yeah, we geez.
Is that surgery?
Yeah, surgery. Well, Bookie, be careful. Let me help.
Since I have the ID just already though. I don't need to take the ID.
Oh no. Just be careful. Please, let's go. Make them sleep. Bomb juice. No. They died? Okay, I thought you said they were normal.
I thought they looked normal. The eyes are so big.
It's fine. They died. But it doesn't count because they were normally.
Hey, Ellie.
Goodbye. Last thing is I think you just need to give them coffee. Never mind. Oh no, I didn't mean to drink it. I lost some sanity slash health. Well, it's not surgery room at least. Oh wow. It means that the end. Don't worry, I'll talk to you. I finished it. Ah! Eee! They died.
Oh, I think it's like cost.
Anomaly.
Sorry.
Anyway. The lights are flickering. Uh-oh. Okay, that was the wrong person who needed maple syrup. The patients in room 3 needed maple syrup. Too late. Who? Then close the shutter. Wait. Take a photo first. Check the cameras again. Normally I would just... When do we unlock the taser?
Nobody has used taser yet. Well, my sanity is 42, and all I have is a copy of chocolate.
Save the chocolate.
Okay.
So like if your son
Still waiting. No! Stop.
he fainted.
Amen. Pick him up.
Run. We have to do surgery before he dies. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I beat it up. 3, 2, 1, no. Now, before he dies. Organ. Anti no, not that one, not that one. Now it's medicine. Do you have it? Stop it, where is it? Okay. We cannot let a patient die. Oh, geez. It's bandages first. We have to do it in order. I'll do it. Antibiotics.
Okay, I have that.
Give them, quick! I got the scalpel. Yes, okay. That was the last surgery of the day. Quick, the doctor's coming.
Where's Ellie?
Where?
Some patient might stay alert. Okay. I will go.
Yes, finally. Look at the not have it. What do you mean, animal? What? How is it poor? The only animal death we had was an anomaly, right?
No, man.
Oh yeah, that's why it was poor.
Sorry, I didn't.
Wait, is this guy an anomaly? Oh, he keeps looking like an anomaly from the side.
Are you an anomaly?
No, he didn't. Come on. 4. You do.
I dropped the key.
Okay, just do the treatment. Matthew. I mean Barney. I'll get him coffee.
I call that key. Got it.
Thanks, bro. Get him coffee. Oh.
I see just I was right. And now that's 37. I have 37.
Anomaly! Take this shutter. Wait, I know what to do. Shot him! I missed. Uh-oh. It only has one use, I forgot. So now we have to wait to use the taser again. Oh, open the shutters! Yes. No, don't leave! Where's Ellie? No, I'm just saying.
I only have
coffee. I know you only have 38, honestly. I'm at 46 because of that headbanger.
I got I guess you. I
Someone is in room 7. No one has died yet. Yay! Look, it's 4. No one has died. The last guy got eaten by the dead man. That's why I always carry maple syrup with me. Anyway, I know you're not an anomaly, so.
I know you like that cookie. Hey, I know you like that.
Someone's in room 1. Ron is in room 1.
I should have had her. Yes, you should have had her. It's not my grandson. Sit
Ah! It's an anomaly! What do I do this?
What happened?
You want? You're in an anomaly. No, the first one was an anomaly. Mimic? It's a mimic? Let me just take a picture just in case. They might not be an anomaly. Ah, another one!
I was right. I was right to them, but you were wrong. You said you were.
I said I didn't know. Yeah.
I said